Hi, I'm Jane and welcome to my world, Jane's World. Tonight I do a special dedication for those Kiwi families from the helicopter crash in America, their families and friends that are affected by the death of your special loved ones, Helen, Tamaki and Sonia, Marra. I dedicate this to your families, hopefully so they'll be comforted through some difficult times ahead. I wish for you comfort on difficult days, smiles when sadness intrudes, rainbows to follow the clouds, laughter to kiss your lips, sunsets to warm your heart, gentle hugs when spirits sag, friendships to brighten your being, beauty for your eyes to see, confidence for when you doubt, faith so that you can believe, courage to know yourself, patience to accept the truth, and love to complete your life. Somehow I hope these words will comfort you in the sad days and many days ahead. Signing off, Jane. See ya.